Welcome back to part 2 of our beginner's guide to winning more chess games. In the first part, we covered some essential basics to get you started. Now, in this video, we'll dive into more powerful tips that will take your play to the next level. These strategies will help you think ahead, control the board, and outsmart your opponents, even if you're still new to the game. So let's continue with the next set of tips. Always protect your pieces. Leaving them unguarded gives your opponent free material. Tip 5: Don't leave pieces hanging. One of the most common mistakes beginners make is leaving their pieces hanging. A hanging piece is any piece that isn't defended, meaning your opponent can simply capture it for free. For example, if you move your knight into the open without support, your opponent can swoop in with a bishop or pawn and take it. No trade, just free material. The solution is simple. Always check if your pieces are protected. Before you make a move, ask yourself, if my opponent attacks this piece, can I defend it? Good players constantly guard their pieces, so they don't give away free advantages. Remember, even losing just one undefended pawn or knight can completely change the outcome of the game. Tip 6: Keep track of pieces. Always keep track of material on the board. Beginners often forget how many pieces have been traded and miss whether they're ahead or behind. If you're up a rook, you can simplify and head for an easy win. If you're down a piece, you'll know to play more actively and create counterplay. By counting material and noticing what's left, you'll avoid blunders and make smarter decisions throughout the game. Tip 7: Aim to win in exchanges or positions. Don't trade pieces just because you can. Always ask, will this exchange leave me better off? Trading a rook for a knight is usually a losing deal, but trading equal pieces can be fine, especially if it simplifies the game in your favor. And sometimes, the best trade gives you a clear positional edge, like breaking open your opponent's defenses. Think twice before you capture, and aim for exchanges that win you either material or a stronger position. Tip 8: Simplify the game. When you're ahead in material, look to simplify the game. Trading pieces reduces your opponent's chances to create counterplay and makes your path to victory clearer. For example, if you're up a rook, exchanging queens and minor pieces leaves you with a simple rook endgame that's much easier to win. Remember, the fewer pieces left, the easier it becomes to convert your advantage into checkmate. Hope you learned something valuable from this. Please smash that like and subscribe button down below. Bye.